Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make this simple sauce, but yet delicious, guys. So if you want to know how I achieve this, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here is to boil my meat, and I'm using ram meat here, guys. So if you have goat meat or beef, you can use that. And I'll add my onions, curry powder, thyme, and seasoning cube with salt. So I'll be adding salt right now. Then next I'm going to add water. I'm adding enough water so that it can cook very well. This meat is a bit tough. Okay, then I'm going to cover that to cook till it's tender. All right, and after several minutes of cooking, this is soft now, and I'm going to cut into bite sizes. Okay, then next I'm going to grease my pan with some oil, then add my chopped meat. Okay, so spread the meat, for even grilling. Then I'm going to rub some oil on top. You might decide to fry it, to cut down the cooking process, but this is what I prefer. Then after several minutes, this is what we have, but please don't be tempted to eat it at this point. Okay, and to my pot now, I'm going to add in vegetable oil, add chopped onions, and stir fry that to cook. Then after 2 minutes, I added my chopped tomatoes, also stir fry that to combine. Then after that, I'm going to cover it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, and after that I came back to it. And next I'll be adding pepper, carrots, green peas, curry powder, seasoning, and stir that to combine as well. The sauce is looking too thick, so I'll be adding few drops of the broth that I got from the meat, and stir that to combine. Then next I'll be adding bell pepper. Then the next also I'll be adding is my grilled meat, and you just want to stir that to combine. Then I'm going to cover that to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes more. And after that, guys, your sauce is ready. Guys, I'm really tempted to add rice, my boiled rice, to it and convert it to fried rice, but guys, I just have told myself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.